Privacy.4 is all about making sure your privacy policy provides a clear process for users to request their data be deleted. Most often, apps fail this VRC because the clause is either missing altogether or does not adequately protect users' rights. To pass Privacy.4, start by confirming your policy includes a dedicated deletion clause. Then, make sure that section satisfies these 4 criteria. First, you must provide your users with clear instructions for making a deletion request. Include the specific steps they need to take. Whether it's submitting a request via email, filling out a form, or using an in-app feature, the process should be easy to follow. Second, inform your users of any exceptions to the data deletion process. For example, you may need to keep certain records or data for compliance purposes. If this applies to your app, clearly communicate those exceptions in your privacy policy. Third, do not include any language that suggests your deletion clause only applies to users with certain characteristics. Apps often fail this VRC because their privacy policy suggests that only users in certain geographic regions, like California or the EU, can request deletion. Make sure your policy clearly states that all users can submit a deletion request. Fourth, and finally, you cannot charge your users to delete their data. Make sure your deletion clause does not state or imply that users must pay a fee for deletion. The bottom line is, you must allow users to request their data be deleted, and your privacy policy must give them a clear blueprint to do so.